They call it the King of Planets, a world so massive that 1,000 Earths could disappear inside it. A colossal sphere of swirling gas, so powerful it behaves like a solar system of its own. Jupiter. It shields our world using its titanic gravity to sling asteroids away from Earth. But do not mistake protection for kindness. Jupiter is anything but gentle. It is a monster. Approach it, and the first thing that destroys you isn't the storms, it's the radiation. Jupiter is wrapped in a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, an invisible accelerator hurling particles at nearly the speed of light. This radiation belt is so brutal, it would cook a human through their spacecraft long before they ever touch the clouds. But let's imagine we survive that. Let's imagine we push deeper into the atmosphere itself. Could life exist in a world with no ground? Could anything endure inside a planet made of storms? Today, we descend into the gas giant to find out. Dropping into the upper atmosphere, we enter a world of drifting ammonia crystals and sulfur clouds. The sky is no longer blue. Here, it churns in violent streaks of brown, orange, and blood red. And then, we see it, the Great Red Spot. A hurricane larger than our entire planet, raging for over 4 centuries. Its outer winds scream at 400 miles per hour, tearing through the sky like cosmic blades. But as we plunge deeper, wind is no longer the enemy. Pressure is. 50 miles down, the weight of the atmosphere becomes unbearable. Temperatures rise. The gas thickens into a soupy haze, and deeper still, hydrogen is squeezed so tightly that it stops behaving like a gas and becomes a liquid. There is no surface on Jupiter. You don't land here. You sink, endlessly, into a vast, dark ocean of metallic hydrogen. An ocean so strange it conducts electricity like a wire, powering the planet's monstrous magnetic field. In this crushing abyss, life as we know it simply cannot survive. But life as we know it is only one idea. Decades ago, the great astrophysicist Carl Sagan and his colleague Edwin Salpeter proposed something extraordinary. They asked, what if life evolved higher up, long before the depths become lethal? Imagine a creature not built of bone or flesh, but shaped like a living balloon. They called them floaters. Picture gigantic drifting organisms, city-sized jellyfish gliding through Jupiter's atmosphere. They pump helium from their bodies to stay buoyant, surfing the winds, feeding on organic molecules created by lightning cracking through the clouds. And where there are grazers, there could be predators. Fast, torpedo-shaped hunters slicing through the sky in pursuit of the floaters. It sounds like science fiction. Yet, the physics is sound. In Jupiter's atmosphere, rich in hydrogen, helium, and complex chemicals, a floating ecosystem is not impossible. Could massive balloon-like life forms be drifting through those colored bands right now? We haven't found them, but the possibility refuses to leave our imagination. But if we truly hope to find life around Jupiter, we shouldn't look to the planet itself. We should look to its children. Jupiter has more than 90 moons, but one of them changes everything. Europa. From the outside, Europa is a cracked wasteland of ice, scorched by Jupiter's radiation. But beneath that frozen shell lies a secret. Jupiter's gravity pulls and stretches Europa like putty, heating it from within. And scientists are now almost certain that this heat has melted the ice below, creating a global ocean of liquid water. An ocean with more water than all of Earth's oceans combined, protected from radiation, warmed by tidal energy, and possibly fed by hydrothermal vents on the seafloor. Europa has all the ingredients for life. On Earth, entire ecosystems thrive around vents just like these, without sunlight. So why not there? So, Can life exist on Jupiter? Inside the giant itself? Maybe only in our wildest dreams of floaters and hunters? But around it, in the dark, endless oceans of its moons. With every new discovery, the answer drifts closer to yes. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is a kingdom, a miniature solar system, a cosmic guardian, hiding the potential for alien life in its orbit. Humanity is preparing to go there, to break through the ice, to shine a light into the blackest ocean in the solar system, to discover what has been swimming in the dark for billions of years. What do you think we'll find? Microbes or something far bigger? Share your theories in the comments. If you want to join us on this journey for life beyond Earth, subscribe and ring the bell. The universe is waiting.